Hey guys, we got the front valve cover back on. It's all kinds of fun. Anyways, I was looking at these carburetors when it was apart, and this one's doing what it should, and this one, this guy here, he's only going that far. I'm gonna pull the top off and see why. Never seen one like this before anyways. Thinking that's all supposed to be one piece. Might just be a press fit into the...
So that's the slide that wasn't opening properly?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just going to be a press fit in there, and the shit just fell apart. He said it did something around 80 or 90 or something, but I'm not sure if he meant it was an engine or if it was like a balance issue on a wheel or something, but this would definitely be an issue. Yeah, so I guess the slides fall apart on them sometimes.
Yeah, that was weird.
It seems like it was not the typical material, like more rubbery. Hard to say. I don't see a million VMaxes either, but it might have been an aftermarket slide in there, I'd say.
What was happening like that was just kind of bunching up, causing it not to open?
Well, that piece where it presses together popped apart.
Oh.
And it was jamming it from opening.
Gotcha.
I'll tell them to get a new one because obviously it could happen again, but I'll get them going anyways. You should notice a big difference if it's been like that for a while.
yeah, she was only 3.5 carbs. You show that? Yeah, that's way better then.
Way better than avocado.
Yep. All right, well, that was pretty easy then. So, yeah, if you're having any issues with the carb sticking, check that out. You never know, it could be the same thing. Thanks for stopping by MacCustoms. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And make sure to leave us a comment if you've run across this before. And yeah, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.